What's the problem with getting the canoe in there?
He broke the big log over.
All right, who's going first?
That way. Go that
Come
way.
on. Okay, now come on. You want to reposition the camera up front? The adventure. What? Oh God. Look. Looks like goes to the first. Oh wow, we got to the end. Yep, look. We made it to the end. Huh? That's where you are. Truly.
Kind of got to hug really close to that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What do we?
Push
Oh,
on it. Push on
Yeah,
it.
Steve, use your arm.
like that?
No, that was close.
Roger the Sherpa. You're all right. You're all right. Yeah, it's your turn to get skinny.